Hello, everyone. Today, we will continue with the course Automotive Assembly and Adjustment Technology. Today's lesson is Project 4, Interior Assembly and Adjustment, Section 2, Assembly Training for Typical Primary Interior Workstations. During the training, strictly follow the assembly specifications. Wear personal protective equipment properly. Maintain a high level of safety awareness. Develop proper 7S workstation habits and work discipline. In the interior assembly section, the windshield primer is highly irritating. Inhalation is harmful to health. Personal protective equipment must be worn before operation. Enhance self-protection awareness. Any unsafe behavior should be advised against and stopped immediately. Electric newt runners are frequently used during assembly. When the electric newt runner is in operation, never hold the rotating tool head by hand. When using a handheld glass suction cup, ensure that both the glass and suction cup surfaces are free of debris or foreign matter. Lock the suction mechanism immediately after attachment. Push and pull twice before transfer to confirm secure attachment, then transfer it to the installation workstation. The quality control points for primary interior assembly include the following. First, application of windshield primer. Clean the sheet metal frame edges before applying primer. Ensure the primer width is 14 plus or minus 2 mm. The primer must closely follow the windshield edge. If primer contaminates the automobile body, remove it immediately with isopropyl alcohol. Ensure continuous primer application. This prevents water leakage around the windshield. Second, installation of the body wiring harness. The body wiring harness installation should cover the entire automobile body. It is mainly secured with clips. Incorrect installation will cause rework and damage to the clips, resulting in wasted time and components. Therefore, part information must be checked before installation. Only proceed with assembly after confirmation. For operational demonstrations, please watch the video on Shishitong, primary interior trunk auxiliary harness. Third, ground wire tightening. When installing the ground wire, ensure the copper conductor faces upward. For ground wire terminals with positioning features, secure them in the specified position. Fourth, installation of the ABS control unit. Moisture entering the braking system will reduce braking performance. In severe cases, it may cause brake failure. Therefore, before installing the brake pipes, do not remove the sealing plugs from the ABS control unit ports. Fifth, installation of brake pipes. Before installation, ensure the blue sealing plugs are in place to prevent moisture ingress. First, tighten by hand. Then tighten to the specified torque. Ensure the brake pipes are securely fastened. This prevents improper sealing and brake fluid leakage. This ensures driving safety. Sixth, installation of seat belts. Check that the CCC mark is clear and undamaged. Ensure the seat belt has no damage or wrinkles. If defects are found, complete the scrapping form and isolate the part. Seventh, windshield installation. Steps 1 and 2. If adhesive application exceeds 10 minutes, the windshield must not be installed on the automobile. The standard windshield adhesive bead height is 10 plus or minus 1 mm. The bead width is 6.5 plus or minus 0.5 mm. Steps 3 and 4. When installing the spacers, ensure they are firmly attached to the windshield. Keep a distance of 5 to 10 mm from the side edge. Use the measuring gauge to measure the gap between the windshield and the sheet metal. Perform the measurement at 5 to 10 centimeters below the upper edge of the glass and at 5 to 10 centimeters from the junction of the fender and the A-pillar. Adjust the left suction cup according to the measurement results on the right side. Ensure the gap on both sides is 2.5 plus or minus 1 millimeter. Operators on both sides should measure simultaneously. Step 5. Apply discontinuous adhesive tape. Maintain a spacing of 30-40 centimeters. After waiting 120 minutes, remove the front windshield spacers. For other key steps, please refer to Shijitong for self-study. Before carrying out a similar practical operation at a typical workstation, first divide tasks and form groups as shown in the table. Then, on the actual automobile and the training bench, conduct the training according to the previous process flow steps. Complete the operation record form as required. After the operation is completed, conduct online self-evaluation and peer evaluation according to the checklist. This includes skills and professional conduct demonstrated during task execution. Finally, based on your own operating process, conduct group discussions. Analyze and summarize this task. Complete the online assignment and additional tasks. Thank you for your attention.